Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable active power gradient control. First, let's go through what this function means. Active power decline gradient refers to the rate at which the inverter's active power decreases per minute. Active power rising gradient refers to the rate at which the inverter's active power increases per minute. The adjustable range for this function is 1% per minute to 6,000% per minute. Now, let's look at how you can enable it through the logger. Step 1. After logging into the logger, go to Device Monitoring. The first inverter will be selected by default. Then, select Power Regulation Parameters. Step 2. Enable Active Power Gradient Control. Click Settings. Then Confirm and confirm again. Once enabled, the decline gradient and rising gradient options will appear. Step 3. Installers can now set their desired values for both gradients. To apply the same setting to all inverters of the same model, select Configure Synchronization. Confirm. Choose All Inverters, same model, save, and confirm again. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Sungrow tips and solar troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.